Those of you who are preparing for an event, maybe going to a horse racing event, or maybe you are a mother of the bride or a maid of honor, and something like this could actually beautifully complement your style. We have it available in many different colors, anything from white to green to gold, even pale blue. Take a look to see if something like this would beautifully accessorize your gorgeous style. This is what it looks like on the head. I absolutely adore these headbands because they truly complement any hair color, any hairstyle, and they're just so super easy and DIY friendly. If you haven't got a huge budget for a big hairdo, then something like this will make you feel like a queen on any occasion.